Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about cookies handling in PHP. See what is meaning of cookies. For example, I have opened Facebook, I entered username and password and I log in into the account and I closed that site. See next time if I open the same site, then it is not going to ask any username and password because I did not log out it. This username and password is stored into the cookies. A cookie is often used to identify user. See, these cookies are used to identify user. A cookie is a small file that the server embedded on the user computer. See, these cookies are present in the user computer and they are used for tracking purpose. See, they are used for tracking. A cookies is created with the set cookie function. This set cookie function is used to create the cookies. See the syntax. Set cookies name, value, path and domain. See, only the name parameter is required and all are optional. See, only this name parameter is required. Remaining value, path, domain are optional. PHP transparently support HTTP cookies. See, this PHP support HTTP cookies. There are 3 steps involved in identifying and returning user. They are: first one is server script sends a set of cookies to the browser. For example, name, age, identification number, etc. See, first server send set of cookies to the browser. Browser is nothing but user. See, for example, name, age, identification number, etc. Next one is browser stores this information on local machine for future use. Next step is browser store the information on the local machine for future use. And third step is, this is last step, when the next time browser send any request to the web server, then it send those cookies information to the server and server uses this information. See, server uses this information and server uses that information to identify the user. See, I will explain this entire 3 steps with an example. See, for example, there is an user and there is an browser, that is server. I send request to the server to access the website and server send me the website. Then I enter some details into the website. All these details are stored in cookies. This cookies contains details of which I have entered. Contain details which I have entered. The details which I have entered is stored in the local browser and it is these details are sent to the server. And I closed the website. Next day I want to access the same website. Then if I send request to the server is going to send website and as well as the cookies which I have entered. See the example. Here I am going to create cookies with cookies name and cookies value. See, dollar cookies name is user. See, I do cookies name as user and cookies value as John Doe. And I use set cookies function. Set cookies function contains cookies name, that is user, and cookies value, and that is John Doe, and time. Time is plus 86400 into 300. See, this 86400 into 2 into 30. It's not 100, it is 30. 86400 into 30 is nothing but it is equal to 1 day. See, by this the cookie name user and cookies value John Doe, this both are going to be stored as cookies for 1 day. This is the example of how I set the cookies. Thank you. Friends, I have provided complete PHP tutorials in the below description. You can watch from there.